Hi, my name is Jake.
Hi, my name is Audrey.
My name is Maya, and we will be showing you some examples of how drones can save the world.
I had the idea of making a drone that was like a policeman, but it can also protect a human being without it showing itself. So this is a quick sketch of it. It runs on trash, and this is the scribble on it is its force field. It can also grow bigger. These are its propellers, and then I forgot to mention that it had cameras. It's these two like block-like things, and then the two taser guns that I was about to get to and mention are right here.
All right, my drone is a medicine carrier. It takes medicine from medical labs or hospital labs to people in need of medicine as fast as they can. And it runs on lithium batteries, like the sketch, but this is like a claw where it like has the medicine. These are like the little propellers and like the little hole. And there's like a little medical symbol to tell that it's taking the medicine.
Hi, my drone idea is a drone that can go into forests and parks and all that kind of stuff and take pictures. And on the controller, there's a screen to show the pictures. See, the way this works is that the pictures could take a picture of a fire that hasn't grown very big yet, but will, and so that the firefighters can come and wash it down before it's too. This is a not very good sketch of what my drone will look like. These are the little cameras. And this is the big, and this is there's little propellers on each of the cameras, and then this is the big propeller to keep it going, and then this part is the part that, you know, has all the film and stuff in it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully these drones one day will really help people.
Why don't we start making our dreams come true and help these drones?
Okay, let's go. Bye!
Now it's time for bloopers.
Thanks for watching. I hope someday these drones become real. Why?
We're filming.